Filling out a personality test can be a very boring and uninteresting task. This might cause some people to give careless and dishonest answers. Our project aims to create a fun and engaging alternative for a regular personality test by gamifying the entire test process. Ocean is a small role-playing game designed to evaluate the player's personality traits. It is designed to be without hurdles for all ages and amount of gaming experiences. Ocean stands for Openness, Conscientiousness, Extraversion, Agreeableness and Neuroticism, the 5 factors of the widely accepted personality theory, also known as the Big 5-factor model. People with high openness are described as inventive and curious, as well as open to new experiences. Whereas people with high conscientiousness are often described as efficient and organized. Extroverts are characterized as outgoing and energetic. With high agreeableness, the ability to be friendly and compassionate is described. And high values in neuroticism describes people as sensitive or nervous. The team behind this project consists of 8 students studying international media and computing. For easier organization, we divided the team into 6 departments, each with their own responsibilities and leaders. Before development, we collectively decided on a short 2D RPG-like game. From there, we wrote down the scenario and based the quests on the questions from Goldberg's Big 5-factor markers test and decided on the aesthetics. With the scope of our project, we decided to use the engine our team is most familiar with, Unity. For the rest of our tech stack, see the Showtime website. In Ocean you will play as a castaway on an island. To be more identifiable with, we made them feature and colorless. When you first start the game, you will be put on a small island. Here, you can learn the ropes of role-playing games without needing prior knowledge. In Ocean, the player will be evaluated based on their choices and actions. All quests in the game correspond to a factor of the Big 5 model and are used for profile building. Examples are helping an old woman or talking to people at a party. Ocean is not just a gamified questionnaire, as even actions are tracked. The game and the survey are in German, as we mainly expecting German participants. Along with the game, you will be presented with the translated version of Goldberg's questionnaire. To avoid any manipulation to the survey, we let half of the people play the game first and the other half take the survey first. After you finish the game and the survey, you will be presented with a results screen. Our challenge was to have a result similar to the survey for at least one of the 5 factors. To make it available for as many people as possible, we published our game on the website itch.io. This resulted in having over 100 participants with around 60 evaluated sets of data. Seen here are the mean and standard deviation values for the distance between the game and the survey results. 3 of the distances have relatively low averages, showing the similarity between the game and the survey results. In particular, Agreeableness has a relatively low standard deviation for this kind of data. For the generally higher discrepancy when looking at the traits in the game and in the survey, we suspect there are multiple causes. Important for us was not to clutter the dialogue or make the game too long. That's why we included less questions and options for each question in the game. The result for neuroticism in particular most likely came from the highest points options being always in the top. Randomizing the display of the dialogue options might result in better data. With our challenge completed, we showed the value of gamification for otherwise boring and tedious questionnaires. Thank you for your attention, we hope you enjoyed our presentation. Feel free to join us in our breakout room or try out the game yourself. Play our game at ocean-interactive.itch.io/ocean.